It Rain by Maryann Cocca-Leffler. Let it rain. Let it rain, it's spring. Singing birds, building trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood. Our flower garden turns to mud. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer farm, picnic, swinging in the sun. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. Building, painting, way up high, our little house in the sky. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, beep, bop, beat. But soon, streamy classroom, blazing heart, wearing sandals on our feet. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine. The end. Bye.